Hello everybody and welcome back to another video, and in this one we will be talking about how to join TripAdvisor affiliate program. Now basically, um, before we dive into the video, make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video, using which you can donate to our channel, and it will be a big support for us as we are really working hard in here trying to figure out solution for the issues that are being raised. So yeah, now to join TripAdvisor affiliate program, you're going to be heading over to www.tripadvisor.com/affiliates. Once you are there, you will be able to see that we have some options and features provided that are telling you why you should join their affiliate program and how much commission you can get. So you can see we have $60 per month for 170 clicks sent to TripAdvisor, and on 6,000 clicks you have $1,720. So you can see the pricings and all of the system that is being provided by TripAdvisor. So now we are going to be clicking on get started, and then the first thing that you need to do is simply click on the sign up option basically, so the publisher sign up, and this will be directing you to the sign up page or the section. In here, simply enter your basic details, and once you do, you will be officially signed up. Make sure you simply agree to their terms and conditions and all that stuff. Once you do, you will be able to easily join into their affiliate program. So that is the pretty simple process on how you can do that, and this is the official site that you can use for this exact process. And yeah, I hope you found this informative. Make sure to head over to the link in the description of this video, using which you can simply support this channel. And thank you so much for watching. See you around the next video.